What's up, everybody? Okay, we're gonna learn about this plugin, what it's for, and how I use it. And near the end, I'll show you how I use it, and we'll put together this quick demonstration. Really fast, yeah? Das ist cool. But this plugin is awesome. What is up, everybody? Okay, so today we are gonna be looking at aging face details, HD for Genesis. Now this is one that I was waiting for. And if you pick it up now, you're getting it for nothing. Seriously. This is probably one of the best packs ever because Genesis 9 is supposed to be about the details, but they leave all the details out. I'm talking about the wrinkles and stuff. Now, this is called Aging Face Details. I don't use it for aging faces. I use it for something totally different. I use it for expressions, folds and wrinkles in the expressions. And honestly, this is probably one of the best packs out there. So, because we're normies are limited that we can't use details in ZBrush and bring them back, unfortunately that's only for the PAs, we have to rely on things like this, okay? And what this does is it gives you these kind of wrinkles that you're looking for. So if you go to Aging Faces Details, HD Genesis 9 by Zev O, and you type AFD in here on your character, you'll get this. So I've just loaded up a character here, and you can start seeing what they do. Look at this, see those nice little subtle thingies there. Oh, more. You see, you start getting the details, which we don't get in these massive Genesis 9 characters anymore. I know they use something called fax or something. I don't know what it is, in all honesty. But these is where you get the detail. Look at that. Look at that. So if you got like a worried face or somebody that's scared or something, look at the details you can now get. It's the realism behind it. And that is what makes this pack so damn good, girl. Damn, I'm good. I'm good singer. Look at that. Look at the details. This is what we're talking about, and this is what we want. Now, obviously, you got to put your character on a high resolution paper. Everybody put on a high resolution. And then you can start getting, look at this, man. This is what I needed. If somebody's crying or somebody's scared or somebody's this or that, you get wrinkles in the face. And Genesis 9 does not do those wrinkles automatically. They do not do that. That's why everything looks so dead in these things, right? But this is where it starts taking. Look at the eyes. Look at this kind of eye you can get on the characters, you know, sad, wrinkles around them. Man, you can start getting awesome details now around our characters, which is just awesome. Now, I do wish they were for each eye left, eye right and stuff would be amazing, but they're not. And you know what, I can live with this. I can live with this for now. But look at the crow's feet. Look at these look at the details now that you can get with your characters. This is massive. It's massive. This is exactly what I was hoping for, you know. And this kind of completes my transition to 9 now. This is the one I was waiting for, and this very much completes my transition. It's kind of like Ari. If Ari was there, look at this, look at these bloody things. Look at these bloody things. Das ist so richtig ganz und lecker. Na? And you can just get everything you want, man. Lip details. Let's see what them lips is doing. Beautiful. Lip details. Boom. Lip details. So this is it, man. This is the one that I've been waiting for. Now, if you into expressions like myself, look at this, like dragging the mouth down. Oh, man. If you're into expressions and stuff like I am, this is definitely the one for you. Look at this. See the details? If you're into close-ups and stuff, then this is for you. 100%. If you like your far shots and whatever, you don't need something like this. This is for extreme close-ups and whatnot. But, you know, this is a really beautiful kind of a nose crease. Interesting. Look at that. Neck. Awesome. Wow. Okay. So it's not bad. I wish there was a few more, in all honesty. I really do wish there was a couple more just to get everything out. But all in all, man, this is a great pack. This is a must-have in my opinion. They call it the aging face. You can use it for that. That's fine. But what is even better is using it for expressions. Okay, it's an incredible thing. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this. Okay, I've just put on like this afraid kind of look on the character, but as you can see, it's dead. It's dead. And this is that kind of uncanny valley, right? It's that uncanny valley where it's not real. There's no wrinkles in the face. It doesn't look good. Don't look good. So let's see what we can do with it. Okay, using this pack. First of all, you can start bringing in the eyes like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And already, you start getting that detail. That nice little... Maybe not on that one. Okay. Not on that one. But let's start bringing some brows, something like that. Oh, yeah. Something like that. You're bringing in the fear. You see that? Now you start to get the wrinkles. You start to get what you need. Let's see what we got here. Oh, maybe just a little bit subtle. And you start getting all these kind of things that we don't have, which sucks. This is what we expect from Genesis 9, but we don't get it. You gotta buy all the stuff. Look at this, little things on the chin. Now you start to get that cool kind of face there. Now you start, that's afraid. That's afraid. You know, be subtle with the things. I'm just going a little bit overboard here and stuff because I want to accentuate things. But this here is where the power lies, people. This is where the power lies. This is where the Texas American power lies. So I'm saying, so. There we go. Look at what it can do. Look at what it can do. Look at what it does. This is it. This is the pack we've been waiting for. Forehead. Even some more. Oh, there we go. Slight lines on the forehead. You know, when you get afraid or when you do expressions, people's skin actually moves. And this is what people don't get right. The only one to ever get it right is metahumans. Metahumans just get it right off the bat, for free. Go in, whatever you change, it's changed. It's amazing. But no one else seems to get this correct, man. No one else seems to get this correct. Let's see what we can do with the mouth. Ooh, okay. You see that? A little bit of that. Now, look, man, I'm overdoing stuff here. I shouldn't be doing that, but it's just to accentuate things, to show you how good things can look, okay? And there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Nose crease, neck crease. Okay, a little bit of neck crease. But there we go. That, to me, is more afraid. Render's probably going to suck. But, oh, there we go, man. There we go. Afraid. You want afraid. You got afraid. There it is. Do you see what a difference this does? It's massive. And this puts it as my number one plugin. Besides Vinmay, this is the other one you need to get. Vinmay and this pack. You can use it to age people. Who cares about that? You use it for wrinkles because Genesis 9 does not come with any HD wrinkles and you cannot put it in yourself. So we have to rely on Zevo to bring these out, and damn, he did a good job. Whatever it is. They did an incredible job. So well done on this one. This is a highly recommended one. This is an amazing thing, man. If Ari could see this now, well, that's what it is, people. It's the details. If you're into your close-ups and whatever, this is it. This is just a beautiful pack. I wish they would do more. Give us wrinkle packs, please. And this is the first step towards it, and this is the only person that does it. And they do good jobs. I just wish there was more. I wish there was total control over the wrinkles. Anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.